Hello everyone. Today I want to show you something really exciting. I wanted to learn how to build my own AI assistant, but instead of figuring it out alone, I asked Rani AI to teach me. And in this video, she walked me step by step through the process of building a custom GPT agent. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how to create a custom GPT, how to give it instructions, how to add tools and knowledge, and how it can even become something people use every day. So let's start where my lesson with Rani began. The first thing Rani told me was this: every successful GPT has a clear purpose. Think of a GPT like hiring a specialist. For example, your GPT could be a resume writing assistant, a YouTube script generator, a study tutor, or a business idea coach. Rani explained that the more focused your GPT is, the more useful it becomes. So the first step is simple. Choose a clear job for your AI assistant. Next, Rani showed me how to actually create the GPT. Inside Chat GPT, we go to Explore GPTs. Then we click Create. This opens the GPT Builder. This is where we design our AI agent. And this is where Rani said something very important. The intelligence of your GPT depends on the instructions you give it. Which brings us to the next step. Rani told me this is the secret behind powerful AI agents. Every GPT needs a structured system prompt. This tells the AI what role it plays, what its goal is, how it should respond. Here's the example she showed me. Role: you are an expert YouTube growth strategist. Goal: help creators design videos that attract views and engagement. Instructions: ask clarifying questions when needed. Provide step-by-step guidance. Give practical examples. Tone: friendly teacher and mentor. Rani explained that when you write clear instructions like this, your GPT behaves much more intelligently. In other words, good instructions create a good AI assistant. After that, Rani showed me how to make the GPT even smarter. You can upload files that become the GPT's knowledge base. These could be PDFs, documents, research notes, guides. For example, if you upload marketing guides, your GPT becomes a marketing expert. If you upload study materials, it becomes a learning assistant. Rani told me, this is how you turn a general AI into a specialist. Next, we enabled additional tools for the GPT. These tools expand what the AI can do. For example, web browsing allows the GPT to access current information. Image generation allows it to create visuals. And the code interpreter allows it to analyze data or run calculations. Rani explained that these tools make the GPT much more powerful. Now it's not just answering questions. It can perform tasks. After building the GPT, Rani reminded me of something important. Even the best tool needs users. So the next step is letting people discover your GPT. You can share it on platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook. When people start using your GPT, something interesting happens. It becomes part of their workflow. Finally, Rani showed me how to publish the GPT. There are 3 options. You can keep it private. You can share it with a link. Or you can publish it publicly in the GPT store. Publishing it publicly allows other people to discover and use your AI assistant. And this is where things get exciting. If your GPT becomes useful and people start using it frequently, it can actually generate income opportunities. The key idea is simple. The more valuable your GPT is, the more people will use it. And the more people use it, the more impact it has. So the real focus should always be building something helpful. But building the GPT once is not the end. Rani told me the real secret is continuous improvement. Pay attention to the questions people ask, where the GPT struggles, what new features users want. Then update your instructions and knowledge. A good GPT evolves over time. AI agents are becoming the new apps. Instead of downloading software, People will simply talk to AI assistants that know how to perform specific tasks. And now that you understand the process, you can build your own.